Why is this bull bucking? In the wild, bulls do not buck repeatedly or violently unless they are reacting to a specific threat or discomfort. In rodeos, bucking is a provoked behavior, induced by artificial means in rodeos. Bucking serves no natural purpose and is purely for human entertainment. A flank strap is tightly cinched around the sensitive area of the bull's flank. The strap is designed to irritate or cause discomfort, prompting the bull to buck in an attempt to remove it. The tightness and placement causes significant discomfort or injury. Electric prods are sometimes used to shock the bull just before it is released from the chute, causing it to react violently and buck. These devices deliver a painful electric shock, which is intended to startle the animal and make it more aggressive. Handlers often twist or pull the bull's tail to agitate it and make it buck. Many times ropes are placed around sensitive areas of the bull's body, and it is dragged back forth, creating pain on the skin.